Aloha guys, Scuba Chris here. I just got in the mail this beautiful shiny aluminum pouch, and in this is my LED photo booth shooting studio from PULUZ. So let's go take a look at it, shall we? So this is what the kit looks like. It tells you the color backgrounds that are inside of it. So this is brand new to me too, so let's see how we put this together. This is obviously a very portable system. It's your own photo studio. So this is your user manual. It tells you what's included and how you should put this together. Power cord, and you got your LED lights up here. Well, the instructions was, I don't know, not complicated, but it wasn't easy to follow, but it looks like I got the basic structure together. And up here you got the port up here, so you can use your camera to take pictures downwards on that. You got your 2 light bars in there, so you can see the power connector here, and let's see now, there. So you got 2 power connectors, one there, one there, and on the cord it's pretty easy to see that those fit into there, and this would go into your outlet. Well, I'm gonna tell you now, this friction fitting wasn't the easiest because I didn't want to break anything, but it's in there. So I just plugged in my adapter. See what happens. Watch the thing go bzzz. Look at that. I did it correctly. All right. Isn't that cool? Now they give you all these different color pads you can use. So let's try out the white, shall we? Now, you see these little tabs back here? See that? My finger pointing through? You have to attach, go with the grain, so that the grain's like this, go with the grain so it will sit in there, but those open areas have to go with those tabs in there. See, look at that. Just put those right through the tabs that holds it in. There you go. So we'll connect the light to the power source. Woohoo! Look at that. So let's put something in there. I'm a fisherman, so let's put something there that would work. So I'm going to use this 25 gram jig from Mustad. I'll take a pitch of it, and that should be the end of it. I have all different colors. I got my portable studio, comes in a bag, but I'm just going to leave it here and work down here when I need to take pictures. Thanks.